No problem.
So I am saying to you that
Yes.
I would ask you, sir, to cease and desist from continuing to request
To
my
go
license.
further.
Hold on.
To go further.
Request my
Let me
license
finish.
unless you have
To
the
go
right-
further.
Hold on.
To go further. To go further, sir. To go further. No problem. To go further, sir. Look at a description. Look at a description. Look at a description of a vehicle. Fitting this one. Carrying goods stolen from in the rural district of Eastwood.
and prancing in Jingle Bell
Good morning,
Square.
man.
Hailing across the air. What a
It's
it's the right
I'm not flying anything. I'm not assisting. I'm not flying anything.
Jingle
Who am I? What's your
Bell
name
time
again?
is
Dale is mine.
well time
If that's what you want.
to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy
Yeah,
up,
yes, it is.
jingle horse, pick up
You know what the lights like?
jingle.
The man gone under the seat. Gone look for the pig, the goat, donkey, everything. The stuff, they make up a story on the spot. Now imagine viewers what he's doing to me, hearing me. A lot of the officers, if you could see them, you know, they recognize it was me, you know. But the Sarge look like in the side, them a show me big balls, them balls, them bigger than mine. But if I remember what I said, in the High Court, the strike out, Road Traffic Act strike out, Constabulary Force Act strike out, law left, right and center, and set the record straight in the country. Yeah? I mean one from my side. And they know I am no weakling. They know I am no weakling. I ain't no weak, none at all. Yeah? Me one can take on the whole AG chamber. Yeah?
Step on the road traffic act, dangerous drugs act, firearms act, as well as the drugs, dangerous drugs act, firearms act, JSF act, and road traffic.
Just having me on the whole act.
I'm stopping on all the acts.
What's the reasonable suspicion?
There's no reasonable suspicion. There's no reasonable suspicion. We're stopping.
What's the ground?
The grounds for stopping. And we are using those authorities to check your It's Friday, but like I said, my license, my name is Jermaine Dunn. I'm not a wanted person. There's no grounds for you to get my license. In fact, this very issue right now, the strike down that's taken on the road traffic act, is what I have before the Supreme Court.
Let's go! Let's go! Cheza mpaka kucha. Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Washata, simata, iniva enya kipeke sana. Sikia tu usionge, wacha mwili uonge. Washata, simata, iniva enya kipeke sana. Sikia tu usionge, wacha mwili uonge.